Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating custom HUD layouts in COD Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the main dashboard of COD Mobile, tap the Settings icon from the top right of the screen. In Settings, tap Basic. In Basic Settings, scroll down to MiniMap Settings. Tap Custom Layout. Here you can rearrange every single button and HUD display. Tap an element to select it, and then you can move it around the screen. Make it bigger or smaller and change the opacity. If you don't want that button or HUD element at all, you can tap Hide button. Once you are finished customizing your HUD, tap Save and Use, or tap Reset if you want to start again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more COD Mobile tips and tricks.